In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money internationally with RBC Royal Bank. This process is straightforward and can be done right from the comfort of your own home using the RBC mobile app. Whether you're sending money to family abroad or making an international purchase, these steps will help you do it with ease. First, you'll need to open the RBC mobile app on your device and sign in to your account. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this will give you full access to your banking options. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it on your app store and it's free to download. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Move Money. This option is your gateway to all the money transfer services that RBC offers, including international transfers. After you've selected Move Money, the next step is to choose International Money Transfer. This option is specifically designed for transactions that are going beyond Canadian borders, ensuring that your money reaches its destination safely and securely. Next, you'll need to choose the account from which you want to send the money. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one that best suits your needs for this particular transfer. It's important to double check that you have sufficient funds available in this account to avoid any delays. Now, it's time to select or add the recipient you want to transfer money to internationally. If you've sent money to them before, they might already be in your list of saved recipients. Otherwise, you'll need to add their details, including their full name and bank account information. Make sure all the details are accurate to ensure a smooth transfer. With the recipient set, enter the amount you wish to transfer. As you do this, take a moment to review the transfer fees and details. RBC will provide you with a clear breakdown of any fees associated with the transaction, so you know exactly what to expect. Then tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your transfer. RBC's interface will guide you through each remaining step, so you're never left guessing what to do next. Once you confirm everything, your international money transfer will be processed. You'll receive a confirmation that your transaction is underway, giving you peace of mind that your money is on its way. And that's how to transfer money internationally with RBC Royal Bank. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you can send money across the globe with confidence.